Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk, and I'm here with a project that I've made for a Pootler card swap. So whenever there's a new catalogue launch, so that'll be 3 times a year, we go into groups of 6. So each member makes 5 cards, all the same, using new products, and we send them out so that we get examples back, probably with sets that we, well, hopefully with sets that we don't have, or even if they're sets we have got, then they might be used in a different way to sort of inspire. So this was the first one I made, and I thought, oh, there's something not quite about that, so then I redid it. This was just with clips of coral, cut in half, folded in half, and sort of one mat, but I decided that it popped a little bit better with the second mat. So don't know what you think, which one you like best, but I'm going with this one. Somebody will get that one because I'm not making another. So I'm going to show you how I did this. So I used 2 stamp sets, a punch, some ribbon, yeah, all from the new catalogue. So I'm using the lovely what do they call it, reversible ribbon. So this is Eclipse of Coral on one side and Granny Apple Green on the other, and it's beautiful. It's satin and it feels lovely. So using that, and the stamp sets I'm using, I've got it all. I think I'm organised, that I've got everything I need all in one place. So I've got my clips of coral, I've got my stamps already mounted. So I'm using the So Glad We Are Friends from The Incredible You, and I'm using that stripe. So this was a set that we got given at On Stage, so everybody will have this. So I've struggled to use it, struggled with this flower really, but I do like the sentiment, so I thought, well, if they're struggling like me, use it, and it gives them a different way of using it. And this I don't struggle at all to use because it's butterflies and it's gorgeous and I love it, and it's a matching punch, so what's not to like? Okay, so those are the sets that I am using. So I've got some extra thick Whisper White for the card base, cut in half, scored in half. I've got me mats in Clips Coral, which I have gutted because that is what I do, and then ordinary Whisper White for the mat on the top, and that's the bit that's going to have all of the stamping on. So the first thing we do is we stamp the stripiness. So you will notice that this is Clips of Coral, and I've got it in the old stamp style, because I've got this from when Clips of Coral was an in colour, and I don't know when that was, but I've got it. I ain't buying a new one just because the stamp pad's changed, because it's exactly the same, apart from, well, it hasn't got the defoamer in it, has it? But it's fine, and the new re-inkers will work on it. So, and I will have to re-ink this, I'm sure, because I've never re-inked it from when I first got it, and I didn't buy a re-inker for it because I was first into Stampin' Up then, and I never even kind of heard about doing re-inkers. So I am turning this as I am doing it, because I found that it kind of matched up a bit better if you turned it, because there's a slight curve. Oh, I've overlapped one, but it doesn't matter. So just doing that in kind of a sort of a random-ish. Whilst that's out, I'm going to stamp the butterflies. You can see where I've done it before. So I shall stamp I'm hoping this scrap's big enough. I think it will be. There we go. Marvellous. And then the sentiment. So I'm going to allow room for the ribbon. The way I did it before is I actually stuck the ribbon on first, but I'm going to get it done now whilst the ink's out. like the sentiment glad we are friends because we are, does need re-inking, that's quite light, but it'll do, be fine. Because we have become friends, the Pootlers. When we meet up, we do act like long lost friends, and we chat all the time in the team group, and we do get together 2 or 3 times a year, because we always have a team retreat, and then we usually have our on stage, and we often have a team day either, you know, on the day after on stage as well. So we have like a whole weekend of it, which is great. We're going on a team day in a couple of weeks actually, which I'm really excited about, because as well as being a Pootler, I'm also a Pinky, so we get the benefit of going on Pinky team days as well. So I shall be doing some swaps for that, which I shall be bringing you, and I will show you the swaps I get back from this card swap as well, and I may well case some, because that's the point, is to inspire, give you some ideas. Sometimes we change them slightly. So what I like to do when I've gutted, and you'll know this if you've watched me before, is to stick this bit down. So I did think about doing this with the new stitched rectangles, but I had started before it arrived, and then I forgot. To be fair, I actually forgot. But yes, I could have done this with the rectangles. That would have been quite nice, wouldn't it? Oh well. I might do my Pinky swaps with the rectangles. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. Can't remember which groups, because with the Pinkies you do it in groups of 5, and you sign up to what you want to do, and it'll be a 3D project, an embossed card, whatever. So I can't remember what I've done. I did embossing last time. Right, so just punch this out. I just love having a butterfly and a matching punch. Sparks joy. I've been doing Marie Kondo, not in my craft room. Well, I can't do it in my craft room because everything I touch sparks joy, so it's a bit difficult to part with anything. But I've been doing it in the rest of my house, and yeah. Does this spark joy? No. Then we need to get rid. Oh, and they need their little bodies, but I am not going to get the stamp out. I'm going to use, because I've got all the markers, so I got them recently, which I was very excited about. So now I've got a full set of Many Marvellous markers again, because of course 13 of them retired and they were replaced. I had 2 of the returning flavours, favourite 3 in fact. So I already had Flirty Flamingo, and I already had Blackberry Bliss and Mossy Meadow, but I didn't have the others. So now I've got them all, and so that means I've got 3 markers that have gone in my customer gift drawer. I have a drawer where I put things in for customer gifts. So chucking a marker in along with what I'm already going to be giving be quite a nice little thing. So I always send out something nice, something handmade, and if they've used my host code, it will be some free product as well that I've been able to get using the the host code. And I actually got a lovely email today from one of my customers thanking me for their gift. It's always nice when you get an email from them. I get quite a few of them and I'm quite pleased about it. It's really nice, warms my day. Right, what I'm going to do is a little glue dot underneath that bit of ribbon there, just to hold it in place. I did, on the first one, I did use some tear and tape and stuck it down, that one, but I didn't like it. I liked it to give it a sort of, I liked it moving free to being stuck down. That's just personal preference. That's what I liked. And then I'm using glue dots on the little ones, but on the big one I did do a line down the middle, and then I shared it like so. Stuck that one there, so that kind of wing covers over where the glue dot is. See, clever me. And then that one goes up there. And then the glue dotted ones. Oh! Yeah, that's really not what I meant to happen. Flipping heck. Right, new glue dot. Stick this one. Dear oh dear. Have that one going there. Yeah, we'll start again with this one. Can hear my great nephew going, Auntie Jez, you're supposed to be a professional. Yes. I like to think so. There we go. And you could, of course, add some bling if you wanted to. Put some rhinestones down the centre. But I'm not going to because there's too many of them. And I would like to not live on baked potatoes for the rest of the month. Anyway, so there we are. That's my team cards. And I'm not sure when this video will go out. It will go out when they all say they'll receive it, but I shall be popping those in the post tomorrow, so hopefully this will be able to come out to you next Friday. So if it's Friday, happy Friday, nearly the weekend. And yeah, I hope you like that. Which do you like best? That way or that way? I like this way. Okay, all the details will be on my blog, nigezza.co.uk, and if you'd like to purchase any of these lovely products, then you can click on my shop, and I would be delighted if you chose me as your Standing Up demonstrator. And if you need a catalogue, let me know and I'll send you one. And if you want to like and subscribe, please do. Press the bell and you'll know every time I publish a video. And if you pop over to my blog, why not subscribe to my newsletter, and then you'll get a newsletter from me at least once a month, if not twice, telling you about different things. Okay,